Acne. Home remedies. Acne, the irritant that torments your skin and your psyche, is nothing but inflammation of the sebaceous glands that are present in the skin. This is a condition that people develop in their teenage just as they approach puberty. Some of the common forms that acne assume include pimples and papules, sometimes leaving deep scars in the face around the areas that have high concentration of sebaceous glands. Acne home remedies. Basil leaves. Basil leaves tend to be among the most popular home remedies for acne. Boil couple of bags of tea along with basil leaves for around 15 minutes. Wait for it to simmer and cool down. Soak a clean ball of cotton in the blend and dab it on the affected areas of the skin gently. Effects. As the heat provides a soothing experience, the goodness of basil leaves would have gotten to work already, to remove the toxicity, eliminate the bad bacteria and to replenish the skin with all freshness, making for one of the simple home remedies for acne. Aloe vera. Take aloe vera leaf and extract the gel. Apply the gel onto the affected skin areas as effective home remedies for acne. Effects. Aloe vera has the property of eliminating harmful bacteria, promoting the growth of fresh cells, softening the skin, moisturizing it for smoothness, rejuvenating the tissues and more importantly, doing it all without a hint of scarring. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar features as one of the favorite home remedies for acne, and also for skincare in general. Apple cider vinegar is widely used not just in topical application but also for internal consumption. Method. 1. One of the delicious ways of consuming apple cider vinegar internally is to mix it with a dash of lemon juice, diluted in water, which is reported to have its positive effect on acne and other skin conditions. Method. 2. If you would want to apply apple cider vinegar onto your skin, you could opt for diluting the vinegar with 3 times the quantity of water and safely apply it on the affected areas of the skin. Apple cider vinegar has good levels of acetic acid, which, by itself, is known to have several health benefits. Method. 3. Heat apple cider vinegar in water, dropping a bag of green tea to form a decoction. Heat it for around 15 minutes for the natural goodness of all the elements to seep into the blend, and allow the mixture to cool down. You could then add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil and jojoba oil onto the blend, and add 1 tablet of aspirin, crushed, into the mix, to form a potent toner. Application. Cleanse the skin thoroughly with mild soap and then, apply the toner onto the affected areas of the skin. You could leave it on for a few minutes and then wash it off, and patch the area up with a moisturizer of your choice, to complete one of the most effective home remedies for acne. Effects. Apple cider vinegar for acne is the kind of drying effects that the liquid has on the skin, assisting the skin in its exfoliating action, eliminating traces of dead tissues and controlling the level of sebum that is found on the skin. Oatmeal and yogurt. Make a paste out of oatmeal and yogurt and apply the paste on your skin, focusing on the affected areas, and leave it until it gets dry on its own. You could then wash it off with cold water and you may apply your favorite moisturizer, or a friendly antiseptic cream, if you like, on the acne, as quick remedy from acne and related skin conditions. Effects. Oatmeal and yogurt mixture has anti-inflammatory properties that go a long way in reducing inflammation and toning the skin. They are also found to have healing powers, repairing damaged skin structures. Further, oats tend to be coarse and hence, turn out to be effective exfoliating agents as well. Coconut oil. Just squeeze a couple of drops of pure coconut oil and apply onto the required areas of the skin, which would prove effective. When it comes to home remedies for acne, you would have to choose pure and unrefined coconut oil that is not embellished with added ingredients and fragrances, as they do not add much value in terms of treatment for acne. Baking soda. Make a paste of baking soda in clean water and apply it onto the skin after you have cleaned the area with gentle soap. You may let the paste be on the acne-infected areas for a while before you could wash it off. You may repeat the process regularly for a few days for effective relief from acne. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is good on the skin anyway. What makes it even more special is the antioxidant properties that the vitamin has, neutralizing free radicals that affect body cells and tissues. Further, you would also need the right level of moisture in your skin, taking care that your skin is neither too moist nor does it get all too dry and flaky.